See exercise 3.1, third sum, third subdivision, second sum, third subdivision. See y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2. We can equate first y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3. We are getting first equation. Then you can equate z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2. Getting the second equation. This is the third equation. Then we can solve first, second and third. First we will take it as these two terms. See here, y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3. Do the cross multiplication. 3 into y plus z equal to 4 into z plus x. Multiply 3 inside. If you multiply, you can multiply by both the terms. 3 into y and 3 into z. So you are getting 3y plus 3z equal to, multiply 4 inside, 4z plus 4x. 4z plus 4x. You bring all the terms to one side. What is the equation you are getting here? See, 3y plus 3z minus 4z minus 4x equal to 0. 3y plus 3z minus 4z minus 4x equal to 0. Write it in a proper form. Minus 4x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. I can take it as the first equation. Minus 4x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. I can take it as the first equation. See, z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2. You can equate these two terms. Z plus x by 3. See here, z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2. The same way we have proceed. See here, you can do the cross multiplication. See, 2 into z plus x equal to 3 into x plus y. When we multiply 2 inside, you can multiply by both the terms. 2 into z and 2 into y. The same way 3 into x and 3 into y. See here, 2z plus 2x equal to 3x plus 3y. 3x plus 3y. You bring all the x, y term to one side. See here, 2z plus 2x minus 3x minus 3y. You bring the term to the next side. If it is positive, it becomes negative. Minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. So, what is the answer for this? 2x minus 3x is minus 1x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 0. You can take it as the second equation. What is the third equation? It is already given in the sum itself. So, you can take it straight away. That is the third equation. X plus y plus z equal to 27. This is the third equation. Solve 1 and 2. See, solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. What is the first one? Minus 4x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. What is the second one here? Minus x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 0. See here, 3y and minus 3y. Straight away we have cancelled the term. See, you can add both the values. Minus 4 minus 1, it's nothing but minus 5x. Plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. Then minus 1 plus 2, it gives plus 1z. It's equal to 0. So the first and second equation we cancelled y term. In the same way we can proceed the first and third equation also. You should cancel that y term only. See here, minus 5x plus 1z equal to 0. You can take it as the fourth equation. You can take it as the fourth equation. See, solve the equation 1 and 2. We are getting a value 5x plus z equal to 0. That equation is 4. Then we have to solve 1 and 3. What is the first equation? Minus 4x plus 3y minus 4x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. What is the third equation? X plus y plus z equal to 27. This is first equation. This is third equation. See, for the first and second we have cancelled y term. In the same way we can proceed 1 and 3. We should cancel y term alone. You are not shift over to the next terms. Okay, so here 3, 1 is there. When the equation multiplied by minus 3, see here 1 into minus 3, I am getting a value minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get 0. When I am multiplying minus 3, I should multiply both right hand side and left hand side. See here, minus 4x plus 3y minus z equal to 0 minus 3x minus 3y minus 3z equal to minus 81. So cancel the term, plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 7x minus 4z equal to minus 81. This is fifth equation. Take 4 and 5. 4 and fifth equation. You can take fourth equation and fifth equation. What is fourth equation? Minus 5x plus 1z equal to 0. What is the fifth equation? Minus 7x minus 4z equal to minus 81. I already told you a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It is nothing but a unique solution. See, we brought into the two equation. That is, it consists of only two variables, not for the three variables. So if it is two variables, we can proceed that way. See here, this is a1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to minus 7, b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 0, c2 equal to minus 81. So a1 value a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, or it is sufficient. You can see a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 itself. So the given system of equation is as unique solution. The given system of equation as unique solution.